I like to liken this to the witches in Macbeth, double, double, toil and trouble. like you're stirring a pot down here, but you're lassoing cattle up here. So stir the pot, wrangle cattle. Stir the pot, wrangle cattle. Stir the, yeah. So stir, then the cattle. Stir, just one down here. Stir once, yes, and then go up. Stir once and go up. Stir once and go up. Stir once and go up. So let's do it with the right hand and see if you can do the same thing. So we're stirring the pot, we're wrangling the cattle. Stirring the pot, wrangling the cattle. Stir the pot, wrangle 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 the cattle. Stir the pot with both hands and wrangle the cattle with both hands at the same time. Stir, wrangle. Stir, wrangle. Stir, wrangle. You can make it split time so one's following the other. Just did what I would call the together time clockwise corkscrew. And what I mean by together time is both poi are hitting the rotation together. Now what I want to try is something a little crazier where we do the split time version. And what happens with this one is your left one goes up and your right one follows. So you do the same motion, it's just that the left one goes up first. So if you were to start it left, then the right one follows. As you're doing that, now you could switch to both of them together. Just we're doing it over there rather than in front of your body. It was a beautiful stylization. The next step is to go from split to together to split to together, being able to go between them at will. We'll start with together. So both are gonna come up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Yes, and then we're gonna split the time. So go a little faster with your left one so that it can get ahead of the right one. Let's start with split. So the left goes up first, and then the right one follows. Remember that you have to do the beat on the bottom and the top. Beat on the bottom and the top. Let's go back to together again to remember how it feels. So up and down, and up and down, and up and down. And now while you're doing this, keep doing this movement. Don't change it. Don't change the timing. But do turn your body to the right with it. Remember, turn in toward yourself. And then turn your body, turn in toward yourself, turn your body, turn in toward yourself, turn your body. And you have to, the thing that's weird is as it's coming in toward your body, you have to make space for it. So clockwise is the direction, corkscrew is the name of the move. Practice moving between full speed and the slowest speed possible, like bullet train and like snail's pace, or rocket ship and snail pace, I don't know. The purpose is to develop your throttle, actually, to develop your ability to throttle the pace of the move. Yes, throttle control, perfect name for it. So the second thing I would invite you to focus on is moving between the two timings